Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all probably remember a couple months ago when I came to Arizona to start the process of getting my veneers done. Well, then COVID happened and I had my temporary veneers in for 6 months, which is the longest time that apparently anybody here has had them in. But today I finally got them done and my permanent veneers are in now. I'm gonna show y'all a couple clips of me getting it done and how they look now up close. We just got to Arizona last night, so we haven't had time to explore anything yet. All we did was go get some In-N-Out. So today we're about to go explore a little bit. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so we're gonna go get some lunch and go explore.
Wherever it is, go back.
There's so many of them.
Only thing I've ever seen them take down was Denise. Remember? The prom? Really, Brian?
So today is Wednesday. We had kind of a chill night last night. We ended up just going to the mall, walking around for a bit, and then we came back to the hotel and just ordered food here. I just chilled and went to bed early because we were still worn out from traveling and everything. So today we're getting a little bit of a later start than what we wanted. It's about 11 o'clock right now, but we're gonna get on the road and head to Sedona. I think we're gonna try to do a hike or two there, and I don't know if we're gonna spend the night there or not, or go ahead and head to the Grand Canyon, but either way, the Grand Canyon is our end goal. So we're starting that journey today, and I'm super excited. We just ran into Target and got some snacks and drinks, and now we are hitting the road to Sedona. And we just got in the wrong vehicle, or tried to, over there. So
Everybody over here drives white vehicles because it's like 1,000 degrees.
yeah, so that was awkward, but anyway. Almost to Sedona, finally. It ended up a lot later than we planned because we were not paying attention. We were just kind of like looking around, enjoying the sights, and we ended up going the wrong way on the interstate because we missed our exit. It's fine though. We're almost to Sedona. We're going to head straight to Devil's Bridge to hike that. It's like midday, probably the worst possible time to go hiking, but you know what? We're just gonna make sure we take lots of water and we'll be fine, hopefully. We just made it to Sedona and we are getting started on our first hike of the trip. We are at the Mescal Trailhead hiking to Devil's Bridge. It's a hot day, but here we go. This is so cool. This is so crazy. I don't know how far we are, but it looks super cool already. I believe we are a little over halfway to Devil's Bridge right now. So we're getting there. We haven't died yet. We made it. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, look at this. We're on Devil's Bridge. This is insane. Look how crazy this is, y'all. Heading back down. Well, we made it all the way to Devil's Bridge. Successful hike. We are on our way back down now. I think we're like halfway back, and it is, what time is it? It is 5:49 right now. Sun goes down at like 6:30, I think. The weather actually feels really nice out here. It's not super hot, and it was really, really cool. We made it back to the minivan. We officially hiked all the way to Devil's Bridge and back. It was super, super cool. Kind of scary because I'm a little bit scared of heights, but it was so awesome. I think now we're getting a hotel in Sedona for the night. Gonna go get some dinner. Look how beautiful this view is. Well, wow, that's really bright. I just changed in the old minivan, and now we are in like downtown Sedona area getting some dinner. So yeah, at some place called, what is it, Cowboy, woo, almost fell, Cowboy Grill or something like that. This wallpaper. I ordered the Rhinestone Cowgirl because I just had to, because that's the coolest name. Wait, prickly pear cactus fries. This should be interesting with some kind of prickly pear sauce. Let's do a first impression tasting video. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Yum. I got the bison pot roast. I don't think I've ever had bison before, so this is pretty cool. And then Ryan got the prime rib. Yum. We just got a hotel in Sedona for the night because we're tired and we want to explore some more here. So we're staying in Sedona for the night. We just had a really, really, really good dinner. And we're going to chill here and maybe go look at some stars. Side note, look at my nails. Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday and it's about 8:50 right now. I got up, got ready, and I think we're about to head from this hotel in Sedona and go ahead and head to the Grand Canyon today. I'm super excited, and I'm not sure exactly what part of the Grand Canyon we're gonna go to yet. Probably just gonna kind of like figure it out when we get there, but here we go. And here is the view from our hotel in Sedona. You can see the rocks over there.
This is cool.
So we are driving from, oh my gosh, the little, hi little lizard. Oh, come back. Where'd he go? Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. We are driving from Sedona to South Rim Grand Canyon right now, and the view is amazing. So we just stopped off at the little scenic view area, and there's some kind of little like market going on. So we're gonna go check it out. Look at this view. It's amazing. So of course I had to buy a couple things at this little Indian market because they had a lot of turquoise. So I got a little horse charm with some turquoise and then a little ring too. And Ryan got this really awesome belt buckle with pieces of turquoise and some coral. How cool is that?
This is so cool.
This is cool. Oh my gosh, they're so cute! Well, we made it to the Grand Canyon. I'm honestly have no idea like where we're going. We just came in here and parked at like South Rim area. So here we go. Y'all, we just made it to the Grand Canyon. Just went through the visitor center. Look at this. What? There's a freaking elk. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's one laying down. Oh, you, look at you just chilling. Y'all, there's an elk right behind me. There's another baby. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
It's close enough for me.
Wow. We just started our hike, descending into the Grand Canyon. Look at this. Insane. I really want to ride a mule. It'd be so freaking cool to ride a mule. We are making our way down to the Grand Canyon. Not sure how far we're gonna go, but we'll see.
Yeah, see that little, he sucked it up.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Why did you just come at my hand like that? The first one? Well, we hiked to Point. It looks like this. We were thinking about going down a little further, but we're gonna stop here and head back up because we want to do some more exploring. So, well, y'all, we did it. We hiked the South Kaibab, something like that, trail into the Grand Canyon. So we went down a little ways, pretty far, and made it back up. There is a coyote right there. Look at that. And some mules that I'm on my way to pet. And some elk. Hi, sweet babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Now I feel at home. So we just came to one last view because the shuttle came here. So we stopped at Yaki Point, I think. Here's the shuttle now. But look at this. So crazy. Every view, it still just blows my mind. Now we head back. Hi. Are you okay? You're not hurt, are you? We just drove around a little bit and came to the other side, which I think this area that we're in is like close to the village or something like that. There's a bunch of like little cabins and everything. I don't know, but we're gonna go see if we can find a pretty place to watch the sunset. Another shuttle. Well, we did it. We made it to Mojave Point for sunset, and it's amazing. just got to our hotel. We're staying at a little inn on Route 66. So we're like not far outside of Flagstaff, and it's so cool because I've always wanted to come to Route 66. I feel like I'm in the movie Cars. I feel like I'm in Cars, and it's so cool. And the whole like little downtown area is just lit up, and it's really, really awesome. So we are about to go to one of the little dive bars. So that should be really fun. So we just changed out of our gross hiking clothes, and we are not hiking. I'm so used to hiking.
We're done hiking for the
We're
day.
done hiking.
Hiking to the bar.
Yeah. We're walking down the road to find a little dive bar. And we're gonna look around Route 66 a little bit. And then when we get up in the morning, probably explore a little bit more. But I'm excited about this little dive bar. Well, it's about 1:30 now. I'm walking to the back of this little dive bar that we found in on Route 66 in Williams. So we're about to walk back to the hotel now so that we can start the day early-ish tomorrow, hopefully. And we want to go to like Slide Rock or something near Sedona so that we can find some water to swim in. But it's been a good night. Good morning, y'all. So it is about 11:30 right now on Friday morning, and we are checking out of our hotel in Williams right on Route 66. So we're checking out of here, and I think we're gonna go get some breakfast and explore the town a little bit, and then head on to Slide Rocks and like that, where you slide down the rocks near Sedona, and try to get in some water and maybe like jump off a few cliffs or something. The rail. What? We just made it to Sliding Rock or Slide Rock State Park outside of Sedona. So we're about to walk down there and hopefully slide down some rocks if it's not too crowded and get in the water. It's really hot right now, so I think the water's probably gonna feel good. Might be cold, I don't know yet. We'll find out, so let's go. This is a cool little spot. Holy crap, it's slippery. I've almost died like 5 times already. It's so slippery. Guess that's why it's called Sliding Rock. Look. Y'all, I promise I'm not a wimp. Because I know like in this video of the springs, my last video, I was really freezing too, but this water is so cold.
It has to be like in the 50s.
I feel like my feet are going numb. Like, y'all, I can't even describe how cold this water is. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that's current strong right there. Alright, that one was cool, so I'm doing it again. I gotta get back over there without falling. Oh my god! Well, we didn't bring any towels, so we're just sitting on the other side, kind of drying out in the sun right now. I'm warming up a little bit, but I feel like my body is slightly numb. We are heading back from Slide Rock State Park. We're just walking up from the water, trying to dry off a little bit. Still cold. They've got some apple orchards over here, but I'm kind of too tired to pick any apples, so we're gonna head on back. We are heading back towards Phoenix and towards our hotel. We just stopped off right past Sedona at this little like market Indian place. I don't know, it was really cool. I saw it from the road and I was like, we need to turn around and go there. So we went in and I just got this cool little like horn toad hat. We have like an hour and a half drive still, so a little bit of a drive. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Not sure if we're gonna do anything tonight. Might just kind of like take it easy because it's been a long few days and I'm pretty worn out. We made it back to our hotel in the Phoenix Chandler area. I'm so tired. I'm literally like falling asleep sitting on the bed. But I'm starving, so I think we're gonna go find someplace close to here for dinner tonight, and then maybe wait till like tomorrow night to start exploring the downtown area of Scottsdale a little bit more. So we're gonna go get some dinner, and yeah.
How's it going?
Hi. Chicken parm meatballs, marinara, or no, it's like spicy marinara sauce on spaghetti. And then Ryan got some steak meatballs with some crazy pasta. Yum. Y'all, this dessert menu. Yum. So we just ate dinner and got back to the hotel, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog here and make it into 2 parts for the trip because I have a lot of content. So if you would like to see the rest of my adventures in Arizona, then watch the next video. Thanks, y'all.